So our next topic is higher order derivatives. Higher order derivatives. So you know what is dy by dx? Derivative of y with respect to x. Now again d by dx of dy by dx. D by dx or dy by dx. This is called d squared v by dx squared. And d by dx of d squared y by dx squared, that we can write it as what? D cube y by dx cube. Now again d by dx of d cube y by dx cube, this is called d raised to 4 y by dx raised to 4. So this is called second derivative. This is called what? Third derivative. And this is called what? Fourth derivative. Like that you can write fifth derivative, sixth derivative, so on. Now generally dy by dx is denoted by either y dash or y1 or f dash x. Y dash y1 or and d squared y by dx squared is written y double dash or y2 or f double dash x. So in the same way d cube y by dx cube is what? Y triple dash or y3 or f3 dash x. Like that you can find out. Now one question. Find second derivative of d squared y by dx squared if y is equal to x plus sin x. So y is equal to x plus sin x means what is dy by dx? X derivative is 1, sin x derivative is cos x. Now d squared y by dx squared is what? 1 derivative is 0, cos x derivative is minus sin x. So what is the answer? Minus sin x. Next, if y is equal to ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d, find y3. So y1 means first derivative. A into x cube derivative is what? 3x squared plus b into x squared derivative is 2x plus c into x derivative is 1. So it is what? 3ax squared plus 2bx plus c. And what is y2? 3a into x squared is 2x plus 2b into x derivative is 1, c derivative is 0. So y3 is what? 6a into x derivative is 1, 2b is 0. So 6ax plus 2b. So what is the answer? 6a. This is the answer. So this is the way we have to find out higher order derivatives. Now y is equal to x cos x. Find d squared y by dx squared. So what is y1? Y1 means dy by dx. X into for first functional derivative of second plus cos x into x derivative is 1. So minus x sin x plus cos x. This is our y1. And y2 is equal to what? Again minus x sin x, it is a product form. So you apply for product rule. Minus x into sin x derivative is cos x plus sin x into minus x derivative is what? Minus 1. And cos x derivative is what? Minus sin x. So minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. This is the second derivative of d squared y by dx. Again you can find out third derivative. Like that you can continue. Now y is equal to tan x. Show that d squared y by dx squared is equal to 2y dy by dx. So y tan x means what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is c squared x. What is d squared y by dx squared? C squared x derivative is 2 sec x and sec x derivative is what? Sec x tan x. So it is 2 c squared x tan x. What is our c squared x? Dy by dx. What is our tan x? Y. So what is it? 2y into dy by dx. And next question. Y is equal to sine inverse x. Show that 1 minus x squared into y2 minus xy1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to sine inverse x means what is y1? 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. Now cross multiplying you are getting root of 1 minus x squared into y1 is equal to 1. Now again differentiating. Root 1 minus x squared is 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x squared into 1 minus x squared derivative minus 2x into y1 plus root of 1 minus x. Y1 means first derivative dy by dx. It's the second derivative is y2. This one derivative is 0. So you are getting minus xy1 by root of 1 minus x squared plus root of 1 minus x squared into y2 is equal to 0. Now root 1 minus x squared, if you are multiplying, you are getting 1 minus x squared into y2 minus xy1 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Next. Y is equal to a cos log x plus b sin log x. Show that x squared y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. So what is our y1? A into cos log x derivative is minus sin log x. Log x inside function is 0. Its derivative is 1 by x. B into sin log x derivative is cos log x. And log x derivative is what? 1 by x. Now you multiply with x. So you are getting x y1 is equal to minus a sin log x plus b cos log x. That means we are multiplying throughout x. If you are multiplying here x xy1, here you are multiplying x means x will cancel. Here also x will cancel. Now again differentiating. So x into y1 is first derivative. Is the second there xy1 you have to apply product rule. First function to derivative of second. Y1 derivative is y2 plus y1 into x derivative is what? 1 is equal to minus a into sin log x derivative is what? Cos log x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. B into cos log x derivative is what? Minus sin log x into 1 by x. Now multiplying throughout x. So x squared y2 plus xy1 is equal to minus of a sin log x plus b a cos log x plus b sin log x. What is it? Minus y. So x squared y2 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. This is the answer. Next question. Y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Show that d squared y by dx squared plus y is equal to 0. What is dy by dx? 5 into cos x derivative is minus sin x minus 3 into sin x derivative is what? Cos x. So it is minus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. Now d squared y by dx squared is equal to minus 5 into sin x derivative is cos x, minus 3 into cos x derivative is what? Minus sin x. So minus 5 cos x plus 3 sin x. Minus you take it outside, so you are getting 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. So what is it? Minus y. Therefore, d squared y by dx squared plus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to cos inverse x. Express dy by dx squared in terms of y alone. So y is equal to cos inverse x means what is x? X is equal to cos y. What is dx by dy? Cos y derivative is minus sin y. What is dy by dx? Minus sin y. Sorry, minus sin y. So what is dy by dx? Minus 1 by sin y. Minus 1 by sin y is what? Minus cosec y. dy by dx is minus cosec y. And d squared y by dx squared is equal to d by dx of minus cosec y. Minus cosec y derivative is what? Remember, cosec y is in terms of y, but we have to differentiate with respect to x. So you change minus d by dx of minus cosec y into dy by dx. If dy by goes means dx will come. So d by dx of minus cosec y is minus of minus cosec y into cot y into dy by dx is what? Dy by dx is again minus cosec y. So what is the answer? Minus cosec squared y cot y. Here what you have to write? Here we have to express only in terms of y, so that it come like that.